Welcome back my YouTube channel SuperCars TV 99. The Aston Martin Valkyrie 2026 is nothing short of a hypercar masterpiece, blending Formula One technology with futuristic design to create an automotive legend. The front bumper is sculpted with aggressive aerodynamic elements, featuring large air intakes and a splitter designed to channel airflow for maximum downforce. Its sleek, razor-sharp styling not only enhances performance but also gives the Valkyrie an intimidating presence on the road. The LED headlights are integrated with a signature light design, complementing the low-slung stance and race-ready look. Every curve and vent at the front serves a purpose, turning the bumper into a piece of art that also delivers extreme functionality. Moving to the side profile, the Valkyrie 2026 showcases its lightweight carbon fiber bodywork, sculpted to perfection for aerodynamic efficiency. The side skirts and air ducts are designed to cool the hybrid V12 engine and brakes, while the dramatic dihedral doors open upwards for a theatrical entry. The muscular wheel arches house ultralight alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance Michelin tires, giving it unmatched grip and stability. The low ride height and streamlined silhouette emphasize its racing DNA, making it look like it's in motion even when standing still. Inside, the cabin of the Aston Martin Valkyrie is a pure motorsport-inspired environment. The interior is stripped down for weight reduction but finished with the finest materials such as Alcantara, carbon fiber, and precision-machined aluminium. The seats are fixed racing shells with 6-point harnesses, positioning the driver in a reclined, Formula One-style seating arrangement. The yoke-style steering wheel integrates digital displays, controlling everything from driving modes to telemetry. Minimalistic yet advanced, the interior focuses entirely on the driving experience, making the driver feel like they're piloting a track machine. Every control is within reach, and the lack of traditional luxury touches reminds you that this is a no-compromise performance car. At the back, the Valkyrie 2026 leaves an equally dramatic impression. The massive rear diffuser and sculpted underbody create tremendous downforce, keeping the car planted at extreme speeds. The thin LED taillights stretch across the rear, highlighting its width and futuristic design. Dominating the rear view is the centrally mounted titanium exhaust, producing an ear-shattering symphony from the hybrid V12 engine. The active rear wing automatically adjusts for optimal aerodynamic balance, ensuring maximum stability whether you're on the road or the racetrack. Under the hood, the Valkyrie 2026 is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-litre Cosworth V12 paired with an electric motor, producing over 1,150 horsepower. This powertrain rockets the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 2.5 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 220 miles per hour. The hybrid system is designed for instant torque delivery, giving the driver explosive acceleration and precision handling. The Aston Martin Valkyrie 2026 is expected to launch in limited numbers, with a price tag around $3 million, making it one of the most exclusive and expensive hypercars ever built. Each unit will be hand-assembled, tailored to the buyer's preferences, and delivered as a road-legal car that feels like a Le Mans prototype. Launching in 2026, the Valkyrie is set to redefine what's possible in the world of high-performance automotive engineering. It's not just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of speed,